Hey guys, I just figured I'd give you an update. This is my Kmart k223 box fan that I acquired about maybe 3 or 4 years ago in the trash. It's been halfway restored. Just in case you're wondering, I'm playing some Kmart store music back from the 80s. The fan cover's been repainted. That is not the original blade. I have to still find mine. And that's not the original motor either. The original motor went out on it, so he replaced it. The newer one, so you know the cord's newer too. I gotta get fan covers for it. As you can tell, back one is pretty bad and still has not been cleaned up at all. Got a little chip missing out on the control. Just, a few little paint blemishes here and there, but it's not bad. Front cover's decent. You can see it's all clean in there. Figured I'd just give you a little video of it running. It's on high speed, medium, and low. Give you a little quick view of the underside. There's no marking on it for the time period. I'm thinking somebody had something put onto here, because that's factory. It's only on one side. I know up here, these are for the stands that you used to be able to get for these. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you a quick update on this fan. There's one we use in here. Well, my dad does. It's a cheap little Aerospeed $15 fan.